Hello everyone, in this video I want to test what happens to the session if I do a restart of the remote desktop services. So I have two multi-session VDAs here. I have my admin and a user is connected. So on this one, on 01, on PVS clone 01, I have a desktop, and on PVS clone 02, the application started. There is also a difference between them. The first one does not have session reliability configured. The second one does. Okay, let's see what happens. Normally, this is nothing. This shouldn't be done in production, but I just want to see what happens if I do a restart. Yes. I want to see if my, yep, okay, the connection is gone. So it definitely killed, the session. No problem, this is what we actually want to check. And now let me try to reconnect to restart that, that desktop. Cannot be restarted. Okay, it seems that it is somehow, oh, it's unregistered. Okay, so restarting the remote desktop service also brought the VDA to an unregistered state. Let's see. Citrix desktop 7 is running. Okay, let's see. Does this machine, so the user still is there but is disconnected. Let's see. Will this machine recover unregistered? No, so it seems that we definitely messed it up. Let's see. Let's restart the desktop service. Let's see if my machine will get back. Doesn't look like that. Okay, so restarting the remote desktop services is a no-go. So it will drop all your users, and it seems that my machine will not even want to re-register. Okay, let's do the same thing on the second one, where we have the application, but here we have session reliability. But I believe the same thing will happen. So we start service manager. Okay, so it does do a lot of things. Yes. Okay, also my application dropped. And nothing, not even with the session reliability. The machine is still gone. Let's check it in Studio. Oh, it remained registered. That's interesting. That is very interesting. But the first one, the PP01, is completely out of business. Everything is started. Let me try to open that app one more time. Cannot start. Okay, so it doesn't show up in no, yeah, it's unregistered. Okay, so lesson learned: do not restart the remote desktop services. It will completely mess up all the user sessions, and even if you restart the Citrix desktop service, it will not re-register. Only hope is here to restart. Let me see. If I restart, then it should be fine. Start anyway. This one. Restart anyway. Okay, let's see if they come back alive. They should, but let's just wait for it. So lesson learned one more time: do not restart the remote desktop services on a VDA where you already have sessions, even if in some cases that service will hang. If you restart it, you better restart the entire server. I will just wait a little bit for the machines to re-register. Let me check them out in TVS. So connect. They are still loading. Shouldn't take too much. Yeah, it is a little bit slow, but it will do the job. I just want to wait for the VM to, yeah, so it's done. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.